Okay, here we are. We're out sledding. Say hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
The Stinks are out sledding. This is the Verstink boys at random. Alex is eating something random off the floor. And Ethan's quacking like a duck. And then we have Caleb sitting over there waiting to go to Grandma's house with a corn dog in his plastic bag.
I want this. Be quiet.
Ethan, why are you being a bad baby? Why? Oh, Slide.
Yeah, you gotta go. Do it, Jay.